It's good. It's decent. All right, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Hey, there he is. It's Mr. MIA, Manchild Fishing himself.
I was busy chasing horses yesterday.
Yeah, he's a horse wrangler in his spare time, and just an all-around farmer.
Nut farmer.
A what?
Get it right, I'm a nut farmer.
Yes, he is a nut farmer. Pecans, to be exact. Anyway, guys, well, we come back. It's like I said yesterday, come back out to the home lake, do a little more fishing today. So maybe today's a little bit different. Jason and I are going to start off doing some top water this morning. Hopefully that bite will be good this morning. It wasn't any good yesterday. Well, just a few, but it didn't last very long. But anyway, so we'll start off like that, and we'll move off and start throwing some plastics and stuff. Just see if we can have another good day. Yesterday was decent, and then maybe we may even get a chance to go off and fish a little bit deeper, see if we can nail some of those big fatties out there in the deeper water. But anyway, guys, thank y'all for coming back and watching, and we're going to check in with you here in just a minute. Ugh. Start running some cranks. Those man, golly, this little guy's got it all in it. Thank you. Come again. Yeah, this topwater game has just fizzled. Get him, man, child. Come on, bro. I know it's weird. It's weird. It's like they just gave it up, man.
We hopped on the side by side. We hopped on the side by side. And I said, I drove him back out there. He saw me one more time. Hit that horse right about the eyebrow.
All right, there's a little tiny cranking bass, but the crank is producing. Got a nice drift coming right into my face here. That's a good fish. It's decent anyway. Oh yeah, there we go.
Look at him.
Yep.
I ain't either. I'm done talking to him.
Good crankers. What, everybody dissing on me? Everybody's getting mad at me. Well, I need a better one than that. Oh yeah, that's a chunk. Yeah, you need one so you can watch me catch this fish. Whoa!
Maybe I got him back. Is it a good one?
It's running me around like it is.
Huh? No.
Ralph, the human net, get up here. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, I like it. Dude, this sucker's chunky.
Battery goes dead. Yeah, it is.
He's got a lot of water weight.
Maybe
Yes.
I need to take a bad piece.
Yes. Let's get some more of that. Holy monkeys.
Boy, he is spicy. He ain't real big, but he's spicy.
The force was strong with that one. Jason's got the triple group white bass.
Hey, hey, hey.
It counts. Get him, Rippin Junior.
Junior, look at him.
That's what you get for trying to put that voodoo hoodoo on me. Get you a big old drum. Door next to you. Woo! It's good. It's decent. Just don't want them creepers to see it. Oh, that sucker is fighting like, I don't think it's real big, but it's fighting good. Oh yeah, that's good. That's a nice fish. Come on, buddy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Come on. Just a little closer. get that sucker, bro. Oh,
That's a good fish.
that's a nice fish.
I hate you.
I hate you. Jason hates me. That's a good fish.
I want to get that plug out.
Yeah, I think I'll do that. Foist. Ooh, get my breath real quick. Ah. What do you think? 4.5? It's a pretty fish, man. They like it, the splatter bass. Ooh, good old summer fatty.
Oh, good.
Got it? All right, thank you, big old fish. Good old crankbait bite. He's trying to purchase some AT&T service up here. Get them skizzers. Man, Manchild's trying to sabotage me. Up here throwing scissors around my line. This guy's crazy. This guy's a nut. He bait. Hey, I've got a customer, Jay. Oh gosh, that gonna bother rod it. Look at this little fella. Man, this fish was mad. Mad fish. I don't blame you. I'd be mad too. The baby fish. I got it for you, buddy. Jason's sea rig bass. Way to go, man. Guess who's back? And it's a good one. It's decent. It's a summer meathead. Whew. Give me that face. Show me that face. That's a nice fish, dude. I'm just glad he come back and popped it. Well, all right, guys. Well, that's going to do it for our trip today. It's a little bit afternoon already, and it's really hot, and the fish have shut down on Mr. Manchild and myself. And
What?
Oh, he's got his Sub-Zero mask on. I like that. Looks good, man.
Cadet.
Oh, the cadet. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's pretty much a scout shirt.
Oh, I got you.
It match that shirt good.
Yeah, it would.
I ain't gonna let
That's
you
nice.
have it. You kiss my butt.
Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for coming by watching the videos again. Little short fishing session today. And anyway, so we'll try to get back out soon. Maybe we can get out a day this week after work or something and try to get some redemption on some of these fish. Most of them still hitting pretty shallow again. Real nice fish on the crank. But anyway, yeah, we'll be back real soon. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Send us off, Mr. Manchild.